Tip number 8, translating vision and goals to the positions. Often we have clients create an organizational chart, or what we would call an org chart. What are the positions within the company that have to be fulfilled? The thing that the org chart does that's beneficial to us is it starts to shape our company. It helps us to understand chain of command, who answers to who. And also now we take our goals from our vision and we start to attach those goals and targets to each position. So for instance, if we're going to do 2 million in sales, then each service advisor, if I have 2 of them, has to do 1 million in sales, 90,000 a month, 92,000, whatever that number is. And that's going to translate to a daily goal, a weekly goal, and a monthly goal. We're also going to translate the margins to the service advisor, customer satisfaction targets and goals. For the techs, productivity, quality of work, educational goals and targets. So once we have the org chart and we have things laid out, then we start to set the company up the way that the company needs to perform at each position. Now there's a real key to this. First of all, you got to take people out of the equation. So you don't want to say, I've got Bob, the technician that's been working for me for 25 years, and Bob's really good at this, but he's not good at that. You want to say that if I had a technician in a position who was going to be my A technician, that this is what I expect from them. This is what I want them to do or accomplish. Now, once I have all of the goals and targets in each position of the company, such that the company will achieve the goals that we want for it and make us the money we want, now I start to put people in to those positions, such as Bob, the technician that's been working for us for 25 years. As a wrap-up, it's important that each position know exactly what they have to do in order for them to be success. Now later we're going to introduce some things like position contracts and measurement processes and management processes that require that we have targets and goals for each position within our company. As we get the structure in place, it becomes easier and easier to manage our staff and easier to get what we need out of our businesses. Thank you.